Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency to Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM, and unforgettable to Bapak Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BAMAG as a Director of Zainul Hasan Islamic University, and especially to Miss Raudatul Islamiyah MPD as a lecturer of social linguistics. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Hanifah. Okay, now I will explain about code mixing and code switching. Code mixing is a phenomenon in which bilingual or multilingual speaker unconsciously combines elements of one language into another. Masakan defines code mixing as all cases in which lexical elements and grammatical features from two languages appear in one sentence. Next, types of code mixing. Number one is word insertion. Word insertion is a type of code mixing. A word from one language is inserted into a sentence or utterance in another language. Number two, insertion common. Insertion is a common phenomenon used in code mixing, where a speaker inserts a phrase or expression from one language into a sentence or conversation that is otherwise in another language. Next, hybrid insertion. Hybrid insertion is a combination of two different language elements in a word. Next, repetition insertion. Repetition insertion is a type of code mixing where a word or phrase from one language is repeated in the same sentence in another language. Next, idiom insertion. Idiom insertion in code mixing, it refers to the practice of incorporating idiomatic expressions from one language into another language in a code mixing sentence. Next, clause insertion. Clause insertion in code mixing refers to the act of inserting a clause from one language into the sentence that is predominantly in another language. Okay, next, function of code mixing. Number one, quotation. Quotation is a function of code mixing that involves using words, phrases or sentences from one language within another while maintaining the original form and meaning of the quoted material. Next, the addressee specification refers to the way in which speakers use code mixing to address the specific linguistic needs or preferences of their interlocutors. Next, repetition. Repetition, code mixing refers to the repetition of word or phrase in one language within a sentence or phrase that is otherwise in different language. Next, injection. Injection is a word or phrase that express strong feeling or emotion such as surprise and example. Next, message a qualification. It's to convey the timing of a concept. Next, personalization and objectivization. Personalization, a subjective argument from the speaker, and objectivization, as objective argument provided by the speaker about the fact. The last, facility expression. Facility expression, it refers to the difficulty of selecting appropriate word while speaking or writing, or as an indication that the individual is not fully comfortable with the language or writing style they are employing. Okay, next, code switching. Code switching is when a bilingual or multilingual person consciously switches one language to another for various reasons. Okay, Factors impacting of code switching. From a sociolinguistic perspective, three categories of factors impacting code switching can be identified. The first category encompasses that are independent of specific communicative context and the conditions under which communication occurs. This encompasses A. The socio-economic condition, including elements of a market economy. B. The overt and covert prestige linked to the languages employed. C. The dynamics of power and subordination within society. D. The correlation of the languages or variant utilized with a specific context or lifestyle. Okay, I think enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.